welcome to my YouTube channel. For those who do not know me, my name is Tana and I'm 23. I'm from Zimbabwe, but I've moved to the UK. So if you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe. What are you still waiting for, guys? Go ahead and subscribe. So in today's video, I have heard a lot of people, they've come to me and they said they want to go to Albania, but they do not know the tourist destinations to go. They asked me to go to Albania, but I've already been to Albania before, guys. I went to Albania last year in 2024. I went with my sisters. But then I was not intended to vlog, so I do not have a vlog, a proper vlog, a proper vlog. So I took the tiny pieces of videos that I had and I made a vlog. So bear with me, guys. If the video is not that, please just bear with me. So I went to Albania for 4 days. The first day we arrived, I think it was around 11 o'clock, 11, 12, I don't remember, guys, sorry. So when we arrived, we're staying in Tirana, which is the capital of Albania. We went and checked in, went for spa, then we went for a tour. Unfortunately, I do not have any videos of the tour. We went for a tour of the capital of Tirana, capital of Albania, Tirana. So if you wish to have a tour or a tour guide and you do not know which one to go with, the one I used, it was alright. Please leave a comment in the comment section and I'll give you the details of the tour guide. Then later we went for dinner. That was the first day. The other 3 days you've seen the videos. The last day we went for a tour as well in command. Then we headed to the airport. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to share. If you have I've seen a lot of people in the UK, you can go to Albania without a visa. You can just use your BRP or your e-visa. So a lot of people, they want to go to Albania, so please just share the video, share the video with them so that they can see nice places to go. Hey guys, so the following morning we were headed to Himare for a boat tour. The roads were very narrow and they were going uphill. It was so scary, guys. The driver had to actually honk all the way up to alert if there's any other driver coming the other way to avoid colliding. It was just to alert them. But when we got to this point, when we started seeing water, I was very happy because I knew we were almost there. Then ta-da! We were there. You know the internet versus reality thing? I saw these bottles on Instagram, but when we got there, it was exactly as I saw it on Instagram. I was very happy. This is the first cave we visited. It's called Pirates Cave. You can't tell me this is not demure. Very demure, very cutesy. We visited other caves like Blue Caves and other caves. You see them in the video. If you want to book a tour in Himare, you can go ahead and check in my one of my short videos on YouTube. I have tagged the company, I've put their number, and I've tagged their website. So go ahead and have a look if you want to book.
all of mine. They just say, you know the love is blind. I'm about to see, I close my eyes, then I can see you ain't here though. Those good them need like signs to make every day your birthday, every night your Valentine's. We try that we could be somewhere. It's warm long as you around me. I swear that everything will be just fine. I wish that we could take some time. Go anywhere that it's fine. Don't make myself some time. Hey, there's no way without you. Hey, there's no way without you. Hey, there's no way without you. My baby, no. When my baby go, I go. There's no better, you know. When I'm next to her, for sure. It's like, I'm not there. It gets so fun. I know. I swear you could fit. It's in on it. A day on my trip. All your hunches, I love it. Oh, baby, baby.
Right, guys, before we arrive in Teth, I'm going to tell you what happened. So, we were going to visit a waterfall and Blue Eye. So, to visit both places, we're meant to hike. So, I misunderstood because they said it's going to take 40 minutes to hike. So, I thought it's overall like 20 minutes to and 20 minutes back. Actual fact, it was 40 minutes to 40 minutes back, and I thought these places are close to each other, but they were in opposite direction. So we have to go, come back, and go the other way again. So it was like 2 hours. So and this was my first hike, guys. I felt my heart coming out of my chest. It took me an hour to go to the waterfall, an hour back, and another hour to the Blue Eye, and another hour back. Guys, I said to myself, I will never ever hike in my whole life again because I was dying. I was actually dying, but it was beautiful. It was worth it. Hey guys, so the following morning we headed to Lake Coman. We were in a ferry and we were meant to disembark and get a boat so we can do kayaking towards Shala River. But we did not understand the instruction. We ended up uh, going all the way to the end of the lake and back. And we did not. We missed the kayaking. We did not do kayaking. After Lake Command, we headed straight to the airport. If you have come this far, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video. See you in the next vlog.